Well, happy Wednesday, everybody. It's John at Mountain West Autos here in Twin Falls. Hey, I hope you're having a really good day today. Man, do I have a really nice Ford Focus ST to show you. Now, this does have the EcoBoost, and this thing runs amazing. It's a 2015. Let's see, under the hood, you can see they've got the open air filter. It's got the ST logo. I've driven this, and this thing runs, oh my goodness. It runs amazing, I'll tell you that. 5-speed manual, pull back. It looks great from the front. Wow, what a good looking car. High definition headlamps. And I do like the seats that they have in here. These are very comfortable seats. Recaro racing seats, I believe they're called. There's your 5-speed manual. As you can see, it's got the factory navigation. The air is blowing very cold right now. It feels great. All right, so here in the back, I mean, this leather is beautiful. Very nice. The interior is so clean in this. I just can't believe it. Here in the back, as you can see, it's got the trunk lid that you can keep down if you would like. It's the hatchback. Pull this back, you can see the ST logo there. And it does have aftermarket exhaust. This thing sounds amazing. All right, let's take a look inside here. It's got the power seat, which is nice, the power lumbar. All right, let's get in here. And they have like this tuner thing in here. I'm not sure exactly what it is. Hopefully you can see that real well. It's got the factory navigation. It also has backup camera, Bluetooth, voice command. It's only got 50,822 miles on it. Here's your Bluetooth, voice command buttons, cruise control, vehicle information center, traction control, heated steering wheel. This also has the heated seats. Man, this thing is pretty much loaded. Here, let's see if we can hear this. And I was only revving it up to like 4,500 RPMs. So this is a very nice car. All right, let's close this up and take a look at the outside. The outside is very straight. I'm not sure what color they call this, but it is a very nice color gray. As you can see, beautiful. There's the ST logo there. Good looking rims. Again, super clean. Let's pull back on this. This is just a really nice car. Well, there's my 2015 Ford Focus. Call me, text me, email me. Please, let's get together on this. This is such an amazing little car. Once again, this video is brought to you by Mountain West Autos here in beautiful downtown Twin Falls, where you can always get a great deal on a great vehicle. All right, everybody, let's be excellent to each other, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great Wednesday.